Are you worried about ransomware attacks? Windows 11 has a built-in protection feature, and today I'll show you how to turn it on in just a few simple clicks. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on your bell notifications so you never miss any updates. Now let's get started. So to enable ransomware protection in Windows 11, you have to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, we are going to click on the search and then we type Windows Security, okay? So we are going to click on open to open the Windows Security. So we'll click on Virus and Threat Protection. And then we scroll down. And then at Ransomware Protection, we are going to click on Manage Ransomware Protection, okay? So here we are going to turn on the controlled folder access, okay? So you can see from here, protect files, folders, and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly application. So we are going to turn it on. Then we click on yes to allow these apps to make changes to this device, okay? So you see, protect your files against threats like ransomware and see how to restore files in case of an attack. So when we are done turning it on, we are going to click on the protected folders, okay? So click on yes to allow these apps. So Windows system folders are protected by default, okay? But you can also add your own custom folders like external drives or custom directories, okay? So let me scroll down and show you the system folders. So you see documents, pictures, the one with the OneDrive, the one with the local user. So you see videos, and then you see the system folders that are protected by default, okay? So to add your own custom folder, you click on add a protected folder. So here you can add your own custom folders from here, okay, or your external drives from here, okay? So let me cancel this and then we go back. And then we click on allow an app through controlled folder access, okay? Then we click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So here you can allow apps through control folder access. So you see, if control folder access has blocked an app you trust, you can add it as an allowed app. So you can add an application like Windows editors, okay, or video editing softwares or applications. So to allow the app, you can click on add an allow app, and then you click on browse all apps, okay? So I can choose to add this CapCut app to my controlled folders, okay? And also you can check an app which has been blocked, okay? So to do that, you click on add and allow apps, and then you click on recently blocked apps. So here it's going to show you the apps that are recently blocked, okay? But you have to make sure that the apps you are allowing, you trust the apps, okay? Or try the source you've downloaded the apps from, okay? Make sure you trust the apps you are allowing, okay? And this works best with Windows Defender enabled, okay? So let me close this and then we go back. So now we have our controlled folder access turned on, okay? So that is it. This is how to enable ransomware protection in Windows 11. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on your subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on your bell notification so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.